Alright guys, just in case the other video was out of focus, I'm going to take a look at other things, but as I was looking inside the box I found this. So there's a bunch of stickers that came with this kit, and they're probably not Yokomo, but hey, look, they're really cool. So I guess this is the company I bought it from on eBay, so yeah, hats off. Thanks for sending me this cool sticker set. So that's cool. And then in case the video was not clear earlier, I'm just going to go through some of the stuff that's in here. There's like grease for your suspensions, the bumper, a bunch of other parts to probably put together the arms for the chassis in here. And in here, a whole bunch of other parts, more grease. I'm guessing if that's for the transmission, probably from the transmission, because this looks like a piece of transmission there, a bunch of extra gears. This, I guess, goes onto the motor. I think this might be the main pinion for the motor. And then we've got all this other stuff, more arm stuff, and possibly the main chassis. Again, the instructions. This thing here, I don't know if this is the gyro. I won't be needed a gyro anyway. I'm going to be relearning how to drift with a new kit, but I won't need a gyro, so I don't know. I don't really know what this is. I can't really tell just by reading it. But anyway, it doesn't have any of the electronics that I would have liked, like a battery, an ESC, a motor. It could have been like a really low-end thing that they could have put in there, but none of that came in the box, so it is what it is, and hopefully I'll be able to use it. But if not, you know how this goes. I'm going to have to do a reboxing video and send it back. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.